Want to fill your new Shopify store with winning products from AliExpress in just a few clicks? This video is your shortcut to effortless product sourcing and a booming dropshipping business. First, open your Shopify admin and navigate to the Apps section in the App Store search bar. Type AliExpress dropshipping. Click on the DSers app and select Add App. You'll be prompted to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AliExpress account. Once DSers is set up in Shopify, you'll need to install their browser extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store or your preferred browser's extension store and search for DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click Add to Chrome or your browser's equivalent and confirm the installation. This extension is the key to seamlessly importing products directly from AliExpress. Now head over to AliExpress.com and find a product you want to sell. Notice how the DSers extension adds a DSers button to product pages. Click that DSers button, a pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the product variants, shipping methods, and even modify the product title and description before pushing it to your Shopify store. Once you've made your selections, click Push to Shopify. Within moments, the product, along with its images and descriptions, will appear in your Shopify products catalog, ready for you to start selling. And that's it. You've successfully imported your first product from AliExpress to your Shopify store. This process makes expanding your inventory and launching your dropshipping venture incredibly straightforward. Happy selling!